Welcome to PhysioCare Patient Management Software. This demo will guide you through adding a new patient or viewing existing patient records in the portal. Log in to the web or mobile portal of PhysioCare PMS. First option is to add new patient from the dashboard. And second is navigate to the Patient Registration module. Click on Add New Patient. The file number is automatically generated. Enter the patient's name. Guardian name is optional. Add age or birth date. Both are optional. If a birth date is entered, an automatic birthday SMS will be sent to the patient's number if the feature is enabled. To enable refer video of Enable Messaging Services. Enter the contact number and select the gender. Choose the patient's city. You can create a new city if it's not found in the list. Address is optional but can be added, especially for home visits. If referred by someone, enter the details in the Referred By field. It will be seen in the report. Submit the form to create the new patient record. The patient details is added successfully. After adding a patient, you can view their details, create a new consultation record, or start treatment directly. You can also book a new appointment or view previously booked appointments on this page. There are two ways to find existing patient record. Option 1. Navigate to the dashboard. Use the quick patient search to find the patient by name or contact number. Click on the patient's name to view their details. Option 2. Navigate to patient registration. Search for the patient by name or contact number. In both methods, the patient's details, along with recently added consultations and treatments, will be displayed. If there are no recent records, you can create a new consultation from here. Click on the patient's record to view detailed information. On this page, you can find the patient's recently added consultations and treatments. You can also go to the billing page for the selected patient. If you have multiple branches, you can transfer selected patient data to another branch. You can edit the patient's details by clicking on the Edit button. You can delete the patient and all their records by clicking on the Delete button. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you, and see you on the portal.